All right, real quick, we're going to cover a new feature that we've added to websites, and that's being able to have video banner technology. What this does is it allows you to display a lot of content really, really fast. And in 2020, showing video media content is the next wave. So you can have a static banner, or you can have a dynamic banner like this. When a banner loads in, this is what you'll see. And this is also another cool feature, having a loader. It's another cool feature we have. So boom, dynamic banner, video comes in, and then more impressively, on mobile, this is how the banner looks on mobile. So on mobile, it would only be a video banner. You would only get the video banner here. So they would get to see a lot of things at once with the dynamic banner, with a notification bar also added. So the notification bar, you can do a lot of cool things with the notification bar, like announcing free shipping over a certain amount of money being spent, like announcing your customer service number, or announcing any promo or discounts that you want to advertise here in your notification bar. So this is what your dynamic banner will look like on mobile, and this is what your dynamic banner will look like on desktop. All right, that's it.